guys, it's go time Jack for the Galaxy S9. We are just 11 days away from the official announcement of the improved Beast at MWC 2018, and if all goes well with my visa, I'll be there. Okay, so today is a big day because the official teasers are out for the S9 and S9 Plus. We actually have 4 teasers and all showcase the most important feature of the S9 family, which is the camera. People ask me all the time, what's the biggest change coming with the Galaxy S9 family? And I say it's going to be the camera. It's the biggest camera change since the Galaxy S7. Alright, playing the teaser number 1, you can see it's all about fast-paced action and slowing it down. You can see the plane in the sky, the guy jumping in the pool, the cheetah running. All this points to the ability to record super slow motion videos at 960 frames per second, which is going to be one of the most killer additions to this camera. Moving on to the next trailer, this is my favorite one, guys. As you can see, it's all about the low light game, the ability to control the light that is coming into the sensor. As we do know that the S9 camera will offer variable aperture ability similar to the modern DSLRs. And it's having a f1.5 aperture level. You're able to do that pinpoint focus, and that results in amazing depth of field. It feels like this whole trailer was shot on a professional camera, like it's that good. And looking at the end, we have this animal and it's dark, and as soon as he looks into the camera, boom, he's all bright, and the rest of the frame is dark, resulting in a beautiful low light picture. And notice how first it's dark and then goes bright. It hints at a major software HDR trick like the Pixel phone to really pump out the colors and everything. So my guess is that Samsung has some advanced software HDR trick going on. Moving on to the trailer number 3. So this trailer also highlights the slow-mo video recording aspect of the Galaxy S9 camera. We have this Asian dude having the time of his life, and then at the end, he celebrates his birthday. He's so happy that his face turned into a 3D animated avatar, which tells us that the Galaxy S9 will have 3D animated emojis. We talked about this before and now it's confirmed. Also, in the start of this trailer, I like how his face is in focus with a beautiful depth of field in the background with camera moving around, which hints at a 1080p slow-mo video recording at 120 or 480 FPS. Trailer number 4. Now this one really makes me exciting because this trailer tells us that the S9 camera is at a DSLR level. It starts with saying that camera is reimagined, which is their main tagline for the Galaxy S9. Of course, for the camera, they are using this lens, and throughout this trailer, they show this professional camera. The trailer further highlights the slow-mo aspect of the camera and the ability to change aperture like a professional camera, resulting in a beautiful low-light shots. And towards the end, look at how the camera lens move. It confirms that the variable controllable aperture is here, and it will take the camera game to a whole new freaking level. Wow, what a day. So many trailers. I guess now we are really excited about the camera because the camera is the main headline change on the Galaxy S9 family. While the design wise, it is similar to the S8, just a 0.1mm smaller bottom bezel, but mostly it's gonna look the same. Now there will be some camera features exclusive to that dual camera setup on the S9 Plus. That might include optical zoom or even live focus. I feel like both S9 models will have the ability to give live focus from the back camera, as the camera is just so insane. So we'll see about that, how Samsung will differentiate between the single camera of the S9 and the dual of the S9 Plus. Also, for the first time, the camera picture sample of the Galaxy S9 came to the existence. So on the left we have the Galaxy S8 and on the right we have the Galaxy S9. You can see the bright background is overblown by S8, while the Galaxy S9 perfectly captures every detail. It's sharp and the dynamic range is also looking good. So situations like this where you are in a dark room and you're capturing something bright outside, it becomes difficult for the camera to get the details and everything, but you can see that it is working fine on the S9. It points to a HDR plus kind of feature on the Galaxy S9 that is improving all the details. It does look pretty good. There's been some new rumors and leaks as well. The new wireless charger stand is here, courtesy of All About Samsung. We have the first exclusive look, and it's going to be available in black and white. It looks kind of like the Samsung DeX from last year. But yeah, since it's a stand, your phone won't be lying flat. It's going to stand and charge at the same time. Also, the Superior Beast is here. We have the first ever benchmark results of the Exynos 9810 processor, and it's having a very impressive result with a much stronger performance in single core compared to the Snapdragon 845. For the first time, we have an Android phone that scores 3500 plus in single core benchmark, and it's going near 9000 in multi-core score. I'm really happy because your boy lives in Asia and will be blessed by an Exynos 9810 Beast, while the United States will get the Snapdragon 845, which is also pretty powerful, but it seems like it's not at the level of the Asian Beast. Moving on, we got a report regarding the dual Dolby Surround AKG speaker system on the Galaxy S9 family. For the first time, the speaker game will be taken on a BC level. This is the first time we're seeing dual stereo speaker on a Samsung flagship. So according to a new report out of South Korea, the Galaxy S9 is now being tested by major mobile networks in the country, and this has led to the information about some of its new features leaking out. The report mentions that the Galaxy S9 will have dual speakers, with one placed at the top and the other one is going to be at the bottom of the handset. It's also much bigger and wider than the Galaxy S8 speaker. There will be improvements to Bixby Vision as well for more accurate results. The report says that the Bixby on the Galaxy S9 will be able to provide real-time translation through Bixby Vision. This feature will be powered by Google Translate, which already provides Bixby with the ability to translate languages, but it currently doesn't happen in real time. The report also mentions a 3D sticker feature similar to Animoji from Apple. Source claims that the 3D capabilities of the Galaxy S9 will be more advanced than Apple's Animoji. There will be pre-installed talking avatars that will mimic your facial expression, and at the same time you can share that in a messenger. This is all very similar to the Animoji. You record yourself and you get shared easily. We also heard that there is a new iris camera on the front, which is a combination of facial/iris scanner to enhance the security. It might be called as intelligent scan because a couple of weeks ago we have seen this demonstration where the phone is scanning the face and the eyes at the same time. So the security aspect will definitely be taken to the next level while still providing the fingerprint scanner option on the back of the phone. One of the recent reports does mention that iris and facial scanners have been improved, gone 3D. Both Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus also recently passed through the Bluetooth 5.0 certification, which is awesome. We know how good the Bluetooth 5.0 is. It's improved in terms of range and also has the ability to play multi-sound devices. The Antutu benchmark has revealed that the Galaxy S9 Plus is indeed coming with a 6GB of RAM, while the S9 will have 4GB of RAM. And you can also see the software version is coming with Android 8.0 Oreo. A little bit disappointed that it's not coming with the 8.1 version because the Pixel phones have 8.1 for like months. Now speaking of software version, a big happy news for the current Galaxy S8 users, as the Android 8.0 Oreo is officially out, and I did a full review of the version talking about all the new changes and the features, so you can check my channel out for that full coverage. And also the performance has been massively improved because this time it was all about performance, making phone faster, and you'll be surprised. I've actually done some speed tests as well, and the update for the Forgotten Warriors aka S7 and S7 Edge, they will be receiving Android 8.0 Oreo update as well. And Samsung is also changing their update pattern for the first time and bringing update to their 3-year-old phones as well. The Galaxy Note 5 along with the S6 family are expected to get the official Oreo update. Lastly, we talk about the pricing of the S9 and S9 Plus. It is expected that they are going to get expensive compared to the last year's models. So the S9 is expected to cost $850, while the Galaxy S9 Plus could cost $950, which is really close to a $1,000 mark. Of course, it has to match that iPhone 10 level. Of course, the announcement is on February 25, and for the worldwide release, it is said that it's going to be available on March 16. For those of you who will pre-order the Galaxy S9, you might receive some free gifts such as a VR headset or a pair of AKG headphones. So yeah guys, that's all we have on the improved Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. They are coming with an insane camera with all these trailers. Everything is just pointing towards the camera, which is by far going to be the biggest camera change since the Galaxy S7. So I am really excited for that. If all goes well, I'll be there at MWC to witness the Galaxy S9 live. And I'm gonna try to bring this phone as soon as I can on this channel so we can have all the awesome content. And just so you know, the giveaway for the Galaxy A8 is still live. If you wanna enter this giveaway, just subscribe to the channel, give me a follow on Instagram and Twitter, and lastly, leave a comment below. I'll be picking a random winner on February 20th. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.